Hello future leaders, welcome to Divyajyoti School where learning just got a major upgrade. Here, education isn't just chalk and talk, it's smart boards, creativity, confidence and so much more. This journey began with a dream imagined by our beloved founder, late Srimati Ambika Mahapatra, a visionary who believed that education should not only shape the mind but ignite the spirit. Established in 2006, Divyajyoti School proudly continues her legacy by creating smart classrooms, encouraging passionate teachers, and nurturing future leaders. At Divyajyoti, technology doesn't replace the teachers, it empowers them, making every lesson interactive, personalized, and impactful. From digital learning platform to global virtual classrooms, Divyajyoti is opening windows to the world. We are shaping digital citizens, not just scholars, future ready with today's tools. This is not just a school, this is the new education. This is Divyajyoti. As you walk through our campus, you will find inspiration at every turn, where every corner reflects motivation and every wall showcases the hard-earned achievements of our students. Safety is our top priority, with 160 high-definition CCTV cameras installed across every corner of the campus. From classrooms to corridors, playgrounds to gate, we ensure a secure and closely monitored environment for all our students and staff 24/7. We are proud to announce our digital leap, introducing Google EDLA interactive flat panel and Google TV across our classrooms. All CBSE pattern classrooms from nursery to 8th standard are now equipped with advanced 55-inch Google IPS displays, turning every room into a digital learning hub. Through these powerful IPS displays, our teachers deliver the world-class Oxford University Press curriculum in an interactive visual format that enhances understanding, curiosity, and student engagement. This is not just a shift in tools, it's a shift in how children learn, think, and grow in today's digital age. In our English medium sections, first and second standard students now learn through same 55-inch Google IPS displays, where the internationally renowned Cambridge University Press curriculum is delivered in a vibrant, visual and engaging way, helping young minds grasp concepts more effectively from the very beginning. To enhance the learning experience for our senior students in classes 10th, 11th and 12th, we have introduced 65-inch and 75-inch interactive Google EDLA flat panels in our classrooms. These advanced panels are powered by EDLA technology, a Google certified platform that ensures seamless integration with Google Workspace for Education, enabling secure access to a wide range of educational apps, tools, and cloud-based resources. These digital tools are designed to bring lessons to life through vibrant visuals, real-time interaction, and easy functionality. This is a significant step forward in preparing them for the academic and professional challenges of tomorrow. Let's step into a world of wonder, where learning begins with laughter and joy. Our pre-primary classrooms are not just rooms, they are vibrant space filled with colors, creativity, and imagination. Every wall, every corner is designed to delight young minds with bright visual, playful themes, and an environment that makes children feel safe, happy, and excited to learn. It's a joyful experience that sparks curiosity from the very first step. Our pre-primary activity room is a vibrant space where our youngest learners engage in hands-on activities that spark movement, imagination, and creativity. For our senior students, we offer a dedicated indoor sports room designed to discover, develop, and nurture their sporting talent in a structured environment. It's not just about books, it's about balance, confidence, and joy. Equipped with modern labs for physics, chemistry, and biology, science comes alive here. Our school features dedicated science laboratories for physics, chemistry, and biology, each designed to spark curiosity and hands-on learning. All our labs are fully equipped with the necessary apparatus and tools, giving students a complete practical experience of every scientific concept they study. Here, science isn't just read, it's explored, experimented, and understood. Step into our exclusive state-of-the-art media room, a dynamic learning hub equipped with a powerful Google EDLA 75-inch interactive flat panel. Here, our dedicated teachers conduct live digital classes, transforming traditional lessons into engaging online experiences. Every session is professionally recorded and made available on our official Divajyoti High School YouTube channel, ensuring that quality education is accessible to our students anytime, anywhere. It's about learning without limits, embracing the future of education today. Welcome to Studio Room, a creative hub for digital storytelling and media production. Equipped with green and blue screen technology and multi-screen setups, this space allows students to step into the world of virtual learning and visual creativity. Here, imagination meets technology to create professional, engaging content for educational and creative projects. Welcome to Audio Visual Room, designed like a theater, offers an immersive learning experience. Here, students are inspired through powerful motivational videos, interactive sessions, and visual storytelling that leaves a lasting impact. The experience gets even better with our Dolby Digital Surround Sound System. With THX certified and DTS soundtracks, it delivers clear, high-quality audio just like in a movie theater. Now, we have taken a leap forward by introducing artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning to our curriculum, giving students a glimpse into the technologies that are reshaping the world. Through hands-on sessions with tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and prompt engineering, students learn how to interact with AI, design effectively prompts, and creatively solve real-world problems using the power of language and logic. At Divajyoti School, yoga is an integral part of our daily routine, nurturing physical well-being, emotional balance, and mental clarity. Under the guidance of trained instructors, students engage in structured sessions that include asanas, breathing techniques, and meditation. These practices instill discipline, focus, and inner strength, forming the foundation for a healthy and mindful life. Dance at Divajyoti School is more than just rhythm and movement. It is a joyful expression of creativity and culture. Our students are trained in both classical and contemporary styles, learning coordination, confidence, and artistic expression. Through regular practices and stage performance, they discover the beauty of self-expression and the power of performance. At Divajyoti School, we believe champions are made, not born. From volleyball to badminton, karate to taekwondo, gymnastics to kabaddi, our students train with professional-grade equipment under expert guidance. Speed, strength, and skill come alive in a high-energy arena where discipline meets determination. With energy, focus, and quick reflexes, students enjoy and improve their game of badminton. Flexibility meets discipline as learners build strength, balance, and confidence through gymnastics. Every move in karate teaches self-defense along with values like respect, self-control, and inner strength. Through volleyball, students learn teamwork, coordination, and the spirit of healthy competition. Speed, strength, and strategy come together as students play kabaddi with passion and discipline on a dedicated mat. Senior girls train in self-defense to gain confidence, build strength, and learn how to protect themselves in any situation. At Divajyoti School, taekwondo training helps students become strong, focused, and confident. Guided by expert instructors, they develop discipline, respect, and the ability to stay calm under pressure, preparing both body and mind to face life challenges with courage. Welcome to the digital hub of Divajyoti School, our state-of-the-art computer lab home to over 50 fully equipped computers. Here, students master digital skills from basic operations to coding, design, and online research. With high-speed internet and all essential software pre-installed, we ensure our learners are technologically confident and future-ready. To ensure the safe, convenient commute of our students, Divajyoti School operates a fleet of 11 dedicated school buses. Each vehicle is managed by experienced drivers and trained support staff, strictly adhering to all safety protocols and standards. Our well-organized transport system cover all major routes within a 7-kilometer radius from the school, including areas from Daman to Vapi, Morai to Kachigam, and Balita to Kunta. We are committed to offering a secure, punctual, and reliable travel experience for every child, giving parents peace of mind and ensuring students arrive refreshed and ready to learn. In June 2025, Divajyoti School received a proud national recognition, the special jury mention at the Annual Education Summit presented by ET Education, the Economic Times, in collaboration with Sunrisa Technologies Limited. This honor placed us among India's top 37 schools, and our story now featured in a prestigious national coffee table book celebrating innovation and excellence in education. Being recognized among India's finest school is more than just an award. It's a reflection of our team's dedication and our students' dreams. We are grateful to be featured in this National Coffee Table book, a legacy of educational excellence.
Every child who walks into Divajyoti School comes with a dream. It's our joy and responsibility to help take it a flight. In our institution, we believe education is not just about academics, but about shaping character, values, and a lifelong love for learning. Here, we don't just teach, we care, we guide, and we grow together. Along with our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and bright young learners, we continue to build a school that is more than just an institution, it is a family.
At Divajyoti School, our mission has always been to create an environment where every child is seen, heard, and encouraged to shine. We are not just building scholars, we are building future leaders, grounded in values and driven by purpose. Our commitment is to excellence in education, character, and innovation. With the blessings of our founder, the dedication of our educators, and the trust of our parents, we move ahead stronger and united. And this is just the beginning. From next year, all classes from pre-primary to standard 8 will be equipped with Google IPS displays, and our 9th standard classrooms will also receive the Google Interactive Flat Panel. For our senior students, we will be introducing an AI learning room, the first of its kind in the region. Every child is a spark. At Divajyoti School, we nurture that spark into a flame of talent, knowledge, and compassion. We don't just educate minds, we shape hearts. We prepare students not only for exams, but for life. And now, with pride in our hearts and unity in our voice, let us come together for the Divajyoti School anthem. This anthem is dedicated to all our teachers as a mark of our love, respect, and gratitude for their constant support and guidance.
ज्ञान की रोशनी दिल में है जगी, सीखने का सफर हम सब ने है थामी। सपनों के पंख आसमां को छोले, गुरु का हाथ राहों को रोशन करे। दिव्य ज्योति हमारे दिल की बात, दिव्य ज्योति सपने साथ साथ, एकता के सुर गुनगुनाए हम सब। दिव्य ज्योति हम हैं एक परिवार। डिसिप्लिन के कदम मजबूत बने, हर एक पल में नए सपने तने। मंजिल दूर सही, हौसला साथी जीवन की किताब खुद लिखे हम, गुरु का मार्गदर्शन, रोशनी का संगम, संस्कृति की बात अपने दिल में बसाएं। एक नई सुबह मिलके हम लाएं। दिव्य ज्योति हमारे दिल की बात, दिव्य ज्योति सपने साथ साथ, एकता के सुर गुनगुनाए हम सब। दिव्य ज्योति हम हैं एक परिवार अब।
Subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Divyajyoti High School, and witness our journey of transformation. Including areas from Daman to Vapi, Morai to Kachigam, and Balitha to Kunta.